Okay, welcome back to the vlog. I have with me a, don't sound too bad, 2019 Acura TLX A-Spec. Now, as you already know, if you're a returning viewer to my channel, this is not my car. My car is currently out of commission, and this car has been kindly lent to me by my dad. So thank you very much. Now, this A-Spec is before the time of the Type S's. So this one has a 3.5 liter V6 making 290 horsepower with super handling all-wheel drive. Now this example is red on the inside, or red guts if you will. I do have to make this little section of the video a little quick because Mother Nature is against me currently. So I'm gonna make this swift. Here we have our transversely placed. Now in the car, we do have a myriad of assists. We have lane departure, collision, parking sensors. We do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this thing. And of course, Honda. There is no gear stick. We have our dynamic modes here, electronic parking brake, brake hold, and auto stop off. I keep mine off because I don't really like it. This being a sports car, we do have our power seats. We have our up and down, reclining, lumbar support, and our thigh supports because it's a sports car. Now, like I said, weather's upon me, so shall we get going? Now you'd think, being an A-Spec, you'd think it makes a little bit more noise, but the sound comes when you actually get on throttle. Inside the A-Spec, a very comfortable cabin. We do have our sunroof here. I'm not gonna open it because it's gonna start raining soon, so I'm not gonna bother. We do have a wonderful interior. We do have an armrest here with cup holders, but you know, backseat isn't really used all that much. I did say that the car is kind of quiet from the outside at idle. I'm just gonna configure our seat. There we go. 2 memory settings. And give you guys a little rev. Yeah, like I said, the sound really comes on when you start driving. So let's get going. There we go. Yeah, so this car has a little bit of pep to it. Okay, so in this TLX we do have a myriad of assistance features. Right here, as I said before, Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system. This is actually a live feed of where the power is being sent to, which are the 4 wheels. So for example, in your like a high-speed turn, here a high-speed right turn, for example, it's gonna cut power to the inside wheel and send power to the left side. So you'll see that rear right is blank and everything is going to left rear. Red light camera reported ahead. Thank you very much, Waze. We have our average speed, elapsed time. Not entirely sure how that works. It says 60 hours. There's only 24 hours in a day, and car isn't running that long. Revert this back to automatic. We have a range of 97 miles apparently. We have our average MPG, live tire pressure, so TPMS, our oil life, and a compass. So we're going west northwest right now, and back to our super handling all-wheel drive. This car is equipped with CarPlay and Android Auto. Our sunroof is open, but only the shade. We do have dual zone climate control, as you can maybe hear right here, ventilated seats, and we have auto windows all around. So there we go. Very, very nice. This car, being from the US, speedo is in miles per hour, with kilometers in small print for those that may have been sent to the Canadian market. Ooh, a nice X7.
Red light.
This car does have a bit of pep to it. So we have power, torque, all paired with Acura super handling all-wheel drive system. Makes her a pretty zippy automobile and a pretty fun drive. Just hug through the corners. So if you look at our screen right now, you can see how the power is distributed depending on our activity, based on where we're steering and how much throttle input we're putting in. We good? Yes, we are. You have a stop sign, so I can go. Thank you very much. Yeah, we can't go too crazy because this is a school zone. We're gonna bring our temp up, drop a little bit. Can probably go. That's very immature of me. Ineos Grenadier. Interesting. Those cars actually have B58s in them. So, I pose a question to you guys. Somebody needs to make a downpipe and a tune Ineos Grenadier. Car already has a B58, so break the magic. Do it. Do it. Right now you can watch the super handling all-wheel drive screen to see how the system is working to keep this car tame and in control. Crazy work, fam. Crazy work. So, evidently, this car is quite fun to drive. It's a hoot. I am having the time of my life with this thing. But unfortunately, this car is only temporary. I only have it in the interim until my car is back on the road, and I got word that the part it needs is available at KIG. So today is my last day with this blue beast. Give that a sound clip of the outside. of the exhaust now. Yeah. So, like I said, the sound comes alive when you're actually driving, rather than just revving at a standstill. Is that the roses? Is that the Jamaican roses? The boys in blue. The road is empty, so I am tempted to do some foolishness, but I have to remember I'm driving my dad's car.
Red light camera.
I'm driving my dad's car. It's not my car, it's my dad's car. Yeah, take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Alright, take it easy. Oh, this is our send-off point. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived to the end of another vlog. As I close this out, I bid you farewell. I had lots of fun with this car in the brief period it was in my possession, but I shall say goodbye to this blue devil. Well, not devil, she's an angel, to be honest. Oh, she's so kind to me. But I know I don't want to be mean to her. She's a good girl. But I bid you, viewers, farewell until next time. Until we meet again. This is Alex Motors Media signing off. Goodbye to you all. Yeah, we're just gonna close this out with a little pull. Yeah. So, with that, goodbye. Oos. How are you, buddy? What's up? How are you? Hello. How's my boy? What's up? How's the guy? How are you? Hello. How are you? Okay. Alrighty. Hi, pal. Okay. Alright. Strange way of showing love, but okay. How are you? You miss me? You miss me all day? You miss me all day? Yeah, there. Okay. I'll get myself out of the car, okay? Wait a minute.